It is the first visit of the former Anambra State Governor, Peter Obi, since he became the flag bearer of the Labour Party for the presidential elections scheduled for next year. It comes as a surprise to Bayelsans as political activities have since been postponed due to the ravaging flood situation in the state. The Labour Party presidential frontman wants more action from the federal government in support of the ever-increasing number of flood victims in the state.
I'm very sad seeing this, and I know there's no state that will cope for it or cope with it. So federal government should come and intervene as quickly as possible. Other agencies should come and intervene as quickly as possible. For me, in particular, that is all I could do to do.
Thank God you flew and you have seen for yourself how Bayelsans are living in inhuman conditions. And the last time I checked, I repeat that Bayelsa State is still one of the federating units in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes, we know it is not caused by the federal government. We agree. Neither is it caused by the state government. But if for nothing, the contribution of Bayelsa State to the federal government of Nigeria, we expect something better than what we are seeing.
The Osborne Lake Internally Displaced Person Camp in Anambra houses over 3,000 persons rescued from various communities across the state.
There are so many other displaced persons that have been moving from camp to camp. They could not be accepted, but here I came, I'm accepted. At least, even if the process of getting something is somehow tedious, at least at the end of the day, I still get something. So I appreciate government for that.
So they really take care of us. We don't even forget the pain itself. Just be like, say, we are Christmas enjoyment here. That's how it's supposed to be.
Peter Obi has assured the people of his support in aid of the flood victims.
He also went to Anambra State.
Like this, you can capture.
So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. So what are you waiting for to support this honorable man, a man of honor, a man of dignity? This man is out to liberate Nigeria. This man is out to make Nigeria better. Please, let's support him. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, precious.ij, like and share.